A new Moto G model has arrived and is making the series a little crowded. The Moto G32 is launching in select European markets first with an MSRP of €210. Remember that number. The phone will also roll out to India and Latin America in the coming weeks. Back to the price, it's exactly how much the Moto G42 cost at launch. The related Moto G52 launched at €250, the same price as the Moto G62 5G. See what we mean about crowded. These phones not only cost the same, but they are quite similar. Well, the G32, G42 and G52 are. Anyway, they are all powered by the same Snapdragon 680. That chipset tends to outperform the Helio G85 in CPU tasks and lags behind in GPU power. Note that the new G32 has 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage and 6GB RAM or 128GB memory configurations, whereas the G42 offers only 4GB of RAM. There are other reasons you might want to pick the new Moto G32. For starters, it has a 6.5-inch LCD Full HD Plus resolution with 90Hz refresh rate. The G42 has a 6.4-inch AMOLED with 60Hz refresh rate. Then there's the battery. All three phones have 5000 mAh capacity, but only the new G32 and pricier G52 support 30-watt fast charging. You can think of the G32 as a cheaper LCD packing version of the G52. We say that because all three phones have the same camera setup. This means a 50 megapixel main module with a small 1 by 2.76-inch sensor plus an 8 megapixel 118-degree ultra-wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro module on the back. On the front, a punch-hole 16 megapixel selfie cam. Whether it's chipset limitation or otherwise, video capture is limited to 1080p 30fps. The Moto G32 is available in single and dual SIM flavors. In both cases, there is a dedicated spot for a microSD card. It goes without saying that this is a 4G phone. Additional connectivity includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2 and NFC. The USB-C port is wired only for 2.0 speeds. The audio situation is pretty good for an affordable mid-ranger. There is a 3.5mm headphone jack and dual speakers to boot, plus an FM radio receiver. The phone measures 161.8 into 73.9 into 8.5mm and weighs 184 gram. The body has a water repellent design and can be had in three colors: mineral gray, satin silver and rose gold. Note that the retail package will differ by country. There may or may not be a charger, protective case or a headset. As a standard, you get a USB-C cable, a SIM ejector and some guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.